emotion. Call it a mom's adoration. Foundation, a special bond of creation. Ha! For all the single moms out there going through frustration, clean band.